Meteorologist John Carroll.
Well, folks, the snow has started to fall in central Oregon. I just looked out back and you can see the snow that is starting to come down. It's very light right now, but it will continue through the night. So let's get to the forecast. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Snowy night ahead of us with widespread snow through the region. Travel concerns, possible ice underneath the snow as today got a lot of wet roadways out there driving around, and that will ice up. And we're going to see a stray snow shower on Saturday as well. And then we should settle down as far as snow goes for a couple of days at least. But winter weather alerts are in place. There is no winter weather advisory for the La Pine Sun River area, but that does not mean that they're not going to get snow. We're going to see possibly 2 to 3 inches of snow in that area. And in the area shaded in pink, that's a winter storm warning. That includes Bend, Redmond, Madras, and Prineville. That's for about 3 to 5 inches of snow and very dangerous driving conditions. And in the purple color, that is generally the Crook County region and eastern Deschutes and Jefferson counties. That is the winter weather advisory for a couple of inches of snow there as well. So let's take a look around, and we'll use our ODOT cameras to show you what is happening in the region as we move forward through this. Here is Mount Bachelor, so not an ODOT cam, but you could see that there is some mist and light snow falling right now in that area. Let's take it down to the mountain passes. We have no snow falling at Government Camp, but there's Century Drive, Santiam Pass. Willamette Pass has light snow and mist through the area. Here is what is going on in our 6 cameras. We have La Pine, not much. Sisters getting a little snow, not in Redmond, but it's snowing in Bend. Madras, not quite. Prineville is dry once again, but all these areas will be overtaken by the snow, courtesy of this area of low pressure that is moving into the San Francisco area where they're getting a lot of rain. We are in the cold zone, and we're seeing that snow creeping up from the south. Not being indicated too much here in Bend, but as we use our computer-generated radar, we are looking at the snow, and here's the progression of it all across the area by 7 o'clock tonight. And here's what that low will be doing. It's going to move very quickly and migrate off into Idaho and Montana very fast. Here it is, 5 o'clock. You can see the snow coming through by 11 o'clock. Widespread arc of snow all the way through into Montana, actually, through Idaho. Then that low gets in through Harney County, brings back that cold air with a little bit of moisture for your Friday morning commute. And then we still see some mountain snow Friday evening, and then another batch of snow comes in early Saturday, kind of off and on, mainly in the mountains. But then I believe we're going to take a break for a while from the snow, but the cold air is going to be in place. We're going to see single-digit overnight lows in Bend as we get into the middle of next week. But before that, we have this. 2 to 3 inches is what's going to be estimated by the time all is said and done with this first wave, and a little bit more added to the mountains on Saturday. Highs today were only in the 30s across the area. And as we look at the temperatures across the region, we have an 18 and a 17. That's our overnight low temperature in Bend tonight. Currently, we're in the 20s and 30s, so cold enough to support snow. Here's a look at the future track lows tonight. It is going to be in the teens and low teens, well, 12 in La Pine and Sun River. 35 is what I expect on Saturday with the stray showers I mentioned. Look at those temperatures next week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all highs only in the 20s, single digits overnight.